Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make bloom box flowers. We will begin by gathering all the necessary items. You will need a sturdy box, ideally at least 6 inches deep, some floral foam, and a beautiful selection of fresh flowers. Think about choosing a variety of blooms with different sizes and textures to create a truly stunning display. This first step sets the foundation for your gorgeous arrangement. Next, let's prepare our box and floral foam. First, line the inside of your box with a waterproof plastic liner. This is crucial to prevent any leaks. Then, fully submerge your floral foam in water until it is completely saturated and heavy. Once soaked, carefully cut the wet foam to fit snugly into your lined box. This ensures your flowers will have a stable and hydrated base. Now for the fun part, arranging your flowers. Start by inserting your largest blooms into the floral foam first. These will establish the overall shape and height of your arrangement. Next, fill in any gaps with your medium-sized flowers, aiming for a balanced and full appearance. Finally, add your smaller flowers and any greenery to enhance texture and create beautiful depth. Remember to trim stems at an angle. To complete your beautiful bloom box, double-check that all flower stems are firmly inserted into the wet floral foam for stability. Give your finished arrangement a light misting of water to help keep the flowers looking fresh and vibrant. For the longest enjoyment, place your bloom box in a cool spot, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. With these simple steps, your stunning creation will brighten any space for days.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.